Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's video I will show you how I prepare delicious, easy, seasoned crispy eggplant in air fryer. So let's get started with the recipe. So here I'm using one eggplant, and what I'm going to do is simply cut it into medium-sized cubes. So I have all my chopped eggplants ready here, as you can see, and I didn't even remove the skin. If you want, you can, otherwise you can leave it on. Now into this I will add olive oil. You can use any oil. Just gonna eyeball it and drizzle it a little bit over just to coat the eggplants. Now before I add any other seasoning, I would like to mix this. So just toss it like this. The best way to do it is just cover, shake it, all nicely covered. I will add onion powder. Now there is no exact measurement, you can just add it as per your taste. Garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper. To make it a little spicy, I'm adding chili powder, but you can add paprika instead of chili powder. I will add salt to taste and mix it up. You can adjust seasoning according to your preference. I'm using very basic seasoning here. And now I am going to sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour. This is completely optional. You can just cook this as it is, or I'm adding very little. You can add very little if you like that little crispiness. As you can see, maybe half teaspoon, and mix it. It's all done, and each piece is coated with the seasoning and the flour. So these are ready to go into the air fryer. Now I'm gonna take my air fryer basket here and add this eggplant here. So let's put this into the air fryer. So my both trays are there. Close this. And now, for now, I'm gonna keep it to 375. Let's do it for 20 minutes, and we're gonna check after 10 minutes. So let's start this. Meanwhile, we can prepare this sauce to go with it or to drizzle on top. Here I'm using this tahini paste to make this tahini dip. Using about tablespoon of tahini paste. And into this I will add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix it all well, very nice. Now I will add black pepper, lemon juice, garlic powder, salt to taste, and mix it all again. I will add dry parsley flakes, but you can also use fresh parsley instead of dry. And our dip is ready. This is thick, so let me show you how I like to serve. If you want to use dip, you can use this thick. Otherwise, you can make it runnier or thinner for your dressing or just to drizzle on your food. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some water to it, and you can adjust the consistency according to your preference. And mix it all nice. Here is my tahini dip is ready to enjoy. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check. They are getting crispy, but still need some time. So I'm gonna let it cook again for the rest of the 10 minutes. for the last 10 minutes I'm going to increase the temperature to 385. My crispy eggplants are ready to enjoy. As you can see, they got nice golden brown and soft from inside. So my suggestion is, if you want to make it quicker, you can air fry this at 385 for 20 minutes and just shake them in between. Let's serve this with delicious sauce we prepared. You can just enjoy it as it is, or I am going to serve it this delicious tahini sauce we prepared to give this little Mediterranean twist to it. And look at this, delicious eggplants are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.